Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. Firstly, simply open your WhatsApp application. And after opening it, here you have to select the chat that you want to block and delete. So here you can see this is the particular contact that I want to block and delete. So simply open the chat by tapping on it and then tap on their profile. So after doing that, here you have to scroll down and you can see the option of block business. Since this account is a business account, there is the option of block business. If it is a personal account, there will only be the option of block contact. So tap on it and then tap on block. If you want to report it, you can tap on block and report. Tap on block and here you'll have to now select the reason. So here I'll just tap on other. If there is any specific reason, you can select it and then tap on block. So after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully blocked this chat. Now go back and here after opening the block chat, here you can get the option of delete chat. Simply tap on delete chat just like this. Tap on delete chat. And just like this, here you can see we have blocked and delete that particular contact on WhatsApp. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.